These are all empty right now, and this is what they're currently reading. So, we will see how that changes.
Hey there, we're the Markhams, Kris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. We also had our tanks cleaned as well by Sue, so that overall went really well.
Yeah.
She wasn't able to access our kitchen tank because it drops down to like a inch and a half pipe or something, and she wasn't able to get the hose up it.
Yeah.
But she did try her best to do it. It just wasn't going to work. But overall, our tanks they're actually reading correctly now, so that's exciting.
Yeah, all the sensors are clear.
There were no artifacts in her terms, which is a good thing, so yay.
Is it calcite, she calls it?
Calcite. Yeah, overall it went really well. She didn't have anything bad to say about any of them.
RoyalFlushRV.com.
Yeah. If you're in the Athens area and you want to get your tanks flushed, I would highly recommend her. We'll put her website down below again,
Yeah.
but
She's awesome.
So.
Jinx. Yeah, that was a good time. I'm glad we got that done.
Yeah.
It's been 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. So in another 2 years, if she's still here, she's doing our tanks.
All right, final day 1. Week 5, day 1.
We're almost done. Almost. This week I am on exteriors and hydraulics. And it already seems like a big rush of knowledge again. And like some contradictory stuff to what we learned on other pieces, somewhat, but not really. It's been fun so far. A lot of slides and like different wall builds and stuff like that. We got to get on the campers out here and go diagnose the slide issues and fixes.
These campers.
Luckily it's nice out, so being outside is easy.
Tolerable this week.
Tolerable, yeah. Yeah, but that was pretty cool. Each slide is so different, or each camper is so different in how their slides are wired, set up. Some you can just look at them or step in and be like, yep, I'd never buy that. No, it's going to be a fun week though. Chandler is a brilliant man, so he's already teaching us some cool tricks that you don't even need tools for and stuff like that. So
that's exciting.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. I'm tired.
Me too. Me too.
Look at that sun though. It looks good.
Day 2 tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll keep you posted.
More exteriors.
Yay.
Yay.
Hello.
Hello, Puppet.
Week 5, day 2.
2.
Uh-oh. Might have a duck crossing again. How was it? What'd you do? What'd you learn?
We did a lot of slides. Went into Schwintek and through frames, stuff like that. Just slide systems.
These things run at me. This is not going to go well.
I think you'll be all right. It was cool. We did a lot of like classwork
It's
stuff.
Amazing.
Yeah, they do that when they're mad.
Classwork stuff?
Yeah, we did a lot of classwork, and then we went out and we actually like adjusted slides side to side, like horizontal and like travel, stuff like that. We took through frame slide components apart, went through like motors and why not to use certain products and stuff, like aftermarket stuff. Did a lot of work with slides, a lot on the ground and jacking up slides and stuff like that. But a lot of slides, and then we ended with the starting point on awnings. Good old exteriors. It's fun. It's not so much like numbers and stuff, like electronics, that kind of stuff. It's a lot more like hands-on technical, like
Not so much theory.
Yeah, it's a lot of just getting your hands on it and actually doing it.
Learning it.
Yeah, it's just slight adjustments and stuff like that, which is fun. I think I like this so far. So far.
We'll let you know after awnings tomorrow.
Yeah. We get to go up and take them off, put them on, adjust them, whatever. That'll be fun.
All right. Week 5, day 3, 4, and 5, because it's been a busy week.
Yeah, it was crazy. So we were on exteriors and hydraulics, and we kind of flip-flopped back and forth from leveling systems to slides, back and forth. Did a lot of racking and such for Schwintek slides, and then we did the through frame slides and such. We did a lot of electric and hydraulic leveling systems. Went over the pros and cons of everything. Did a lot of installing and uninstalling of slides. Went over diagnosing a lot of hydraulic and electric system faults and things you'll find, and chasing the fluids and all that stuff, you know, more chasing the flow. But we did a lot of that stuff. And then Friday we did emergency repairs. Well, Thursday afternoon and Friday we did emergency repair, or emergency like get people going type situations. But the coolest part of the whole week to me was Wednesday night. Chandler did a big class for his toys that he has invented, and yeah, well, more throwing money out the window. But boy, was that fun. Andrea got to come along with me. She was the only wife in the class, which was kind of hilarious. Yeah.
It was actually pretty cool. I'm really glad that I went with you, and I enjoyed actually learning, like getting to learn. And Chandler didn't care that I was in there. None of the guys cared that I was there, and it was just cool to get to see the tools be used and like how they're going to be used and how they can be helpful. So you know, it's not cheap to buy these tools, but it lets you see how are you going to be able to help not only ourselves but also other people in a pinch.
Yeah, it was pretty fun at the end. Even Andrea had questions for Chandler, which was great.
And he let me ask him.
Yeah, he sat there and he let it happen.
Yep.
It was a lot of fun. Still a lot to go with the diagnosing and stuff before you're fixing stuff like that. But those tools will make it a heck of a lot nicer, quicker, easier, and better for customers as well. So that's some fun stuff.
All right. Tomorrow is the big day. Big test.
Yeah.
What's the process? What'd they tell you?
Oh boy. 7 o'clock breakfast. Don and his wife are making.
Sausage.
Yeah. Pancakes
No
and
wife,
sausage.
so I gotta cook for myself.
8 starts the review. We go over stuff, review, and then take a practice test, review that, break, and then it's the big test time, and I believe practical is after that.
How many questions is the test?
120-ish?
And then hands-on, or what appliances?
So the practical test will be 2 ACs, Dometic and Coleman, 2 refrigerators, Dometic and Norcold, and then water heater, and furnace. So 6 total.
All right. How do you feel going into it?
Need to study. That'll be fine.
We'll let you know tomorrow how he does.
Yeah,
You got this.
we'll see.
All right. Big reveal, moment of truth. How did you do on the big test?
So the test is done, practical and written. And I'll say I did better on the practical than the written. But you can put certified RV tech in front of my name or behind it, however you do that.
Whatever way you want.
It's like ND only different.
RV.
That test was hard as bleep. But the practical was like, I don't know, it was kind of like big bang boom. Second nature,
Yep.
whatever you want to call it.
Yay!
I don't know, it felt pretty easy, I sat and stared at it for a minute, and each clients that I worked on, and it went bang, 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 Woo! And now we get to graduate here in a little bit, letting everybody else finish up. Some of our friends left early.
Yep. Sad day. They already left.
Going home, be with their families after 5 weeks, so I don't blame them one bit.
Yeah. Not a whole lot to do in this town either. So.
No, the town's not that eventful, but the campground's fun.
It is. I'll miss the little community here.
I spent all day in the classroom, so yes. But
Look at that! It's real now. It's official.
hit me up if you need some work.
I'll post our website. So Linda,
Yes, Tina?
where are you going for your celebratory dinner?
I don't know. There's so many places I can go. Like, do I want celebratory queso? Do I want, like, a really good burger on the lake? Do I want... I don't know. What do I want?
Only time will tell where we go.
I'm terrible at these decisions.
Come on down, Kris Markham. Come on down, Mr. Randall Morris.
Man. Was it this one?
Yep.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Pam. Oh, hello. Say hi to the people.
Why do you do that?
Hey, look, Dad. Look what we did for you.
Why are you like this?
Because it's fun. Right, Pam? See, it's fun. Yeah. Hi.
Well, there's your excited.
Are you crazy? Say, congrats, Daddy. Congrats, Daddy. Yeah.
Here's to a whole new lifestyle.
Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.